Hello and welcome to another video session. BeanFX Trader. Our website remains www.beanfxtrader.com. I want you to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button at the bottom of the video to see more videos when we release them. Also, make comments, give us feedback, ask questions. We'll try to respond to your questions as regards our strategies. Now, today we will be looking at a strategy you can use to trade gold, XAUUSD. We are looking at XAUUSD 15-minute time frame. The way this strategy works is you allow the candle bar to close above or below the 21 EMA. 21 EMA is the moving average we have on the main window. You allow the candle bar to close above or below the 21 EMA. Like we have on the screen, we have the candle bar closing above the 21 EMA around here. So these are buy signal, but that's not all about it. You allow the next three bars to stay above the 21 EMA. 1, 2, 3. Now the next three bars, the third bar is closed directly on the 21 EMA around here. So you are still good. Then you come to indicator window 1. These are indicator window 1. Let me highlight our indicator window 1. Come to indicator window 1. Ensure that the color of the subsequent three bars, ensure that the color remains green for you to have your buy confirmation. And I think we have 3 greens here. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 green colors here. So that's a confirmation that we can buy. Then also come to the indicator window 2. Ensure that the color of the awesome oscillator also stays green. The 3 colors of the subsequent bars also stay green. That's what we have here. So we have a good buy setup. So now let's look at where we are going to place our entry, buy entry. Our buy entry will be at the closing price of the subsequent third bar around here. Our stop loss will be at the low of the signal bar. Stop loss will be at the low of the signal bar. This is the low of the signal bar. The low of the signal bar is around here. The closing price of the third subsequent candle bar is around here. So our take profit will be the height. Will be the height of the stop loss to the height of the stop loss to the trade entry point or more. Can trail our profit. Okay, let me highlight with a trend line. This height is our take profit. Take profit is around here. Hold on just a minute. These are trade entry. These are our stop loss. Now our take profit will be this height. So let me put horizontal line to mark our take profit point. Our take profit point will be around here. Okay, so and we can see what price did. Price still continued, so we can trail. Price still continued and it did not come to our stop loss, which is around here. Price continued, didn't come to our stop, so we can always trail our profits. That's for the buy setup. The sell setup is similar to the buy setup, but it's going to be the other way around. For the buy setup, the candle bar closes above. Candle bar closes above the 21 EMA. For the sell setup, the candle bar will close below the 21 EMA. Let's look for a sell setup. Okay, like we have a sell setup here. Candle bar close below the 21 EMA. That's what we have around here. Okay, so if we have this, but we now allow the subsequent 3 bars to stay below 1, 2, 3. But for this sell setup, the third subsequent bar did not stay below, so it's negated, so it's invalid. Okay, let's look at, okay, we have another sell setup here. This bar closed below and the subsequent 3 bars stays below, so we have, these are sell signal bar. This will be our trade entry. Our trade entry will be here, closing price. Our stop loss will be the height of the signal bar. Our trade entry will be the third bar. This is the third bar around here. Then the confirmation is that the indicator window 1, the bars, colors of the bar must be the same, the 3 bars. That's red color, 1, 2, 3, red color. Then same must be for the indicator window 2. Colors must be the same, 1, 2, 3, same red color. Okay, so once you have the signal bar is around here, and your confirmation bar 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, they are down and below the 21 EMA. And then the indicator window 1, where you have the accelerator, oscillator, they are all red. And indicator window 2, where you also have the awesome oscillator, they are all red color. Then you can take your trade. You can sell for this example. Now your take profit will be the height of your stop loss to your trade entry. Take profit will be the height of stop loss to the trade entry. So take profit around here. Take profit should be around here. Let's see if we will hit our target. Oh, we did not hit our target, but that's fine. Can always place our stop loss at break-even point. Can always place our stop loss at break-even point. So that's that for this strategy. It's a good strategy. You can always back test it. Let's look at this sell setup. You have your sell bar here. Your short, you have to go short around here. Have it close below. You can also go long around here. You have a close above. But do you have confirmation? You wait for confirmation. Your confirmation is that 3 candle bars must close above 1, 2, 3, but the third one closed below. So, and it also gave a sell setup, a sell signal. So this buy signal of closing above the 21 EMA is invalidated, but you rather go for the sell signal closing below the 21 EMA, and then wait for the subsequent 3 bars to also close below. This is the third bar, close below. So you have a sell setup. Your entry will be here. Your stop loss will be around here. The high point of the sell signal bar. But you need a confirmation. Your confirmation is that the color of the bars on the accelerator indicator must stay red. 1, 2, 3. You have red colors here. This is where I'm referring to. Indicator window 1. The color must be red, and they are red. Same thing, the color of the 3 bars on indicator window 2 must be red, and we have red color here for our sell signal, sell confirmation. Red colors. The red color is here. So you can sell XAUUSD around here, and then let's get our take profit. Our take profit will be the height from the stop loss to the trade entry. Okay, our take profit will be around here, but we can always trail our profit. Okay, Can always trail our profit. So that's that about this strategy. It's a very good strategy. You can always back test it. Ensure that price close above 21 EMA and the 3 subsequent candle bars also stays above 21 EMA, and confirmation will be the colors of the bars on the indicator window 1 and indicator window 2 stays the same. For you to buy, it must be green. For you to sell, the color must be red for you to have your confirmation. And let's look at the settings. Settings for these indicators are: the first one on your main window is your fractal indicator. Color is purple. Second indicator on the main window is your 21 EMA. Apply to close. Then on your indicator window 1, you have awesome oscillator, no color. On the indicator window 2, you have accelerator oscillator. Then on the indicator window 1, accelerator is oscillator. Then on the indicator window 1, you have accelerator oscillator. For your indicator window 1, you have awesome oscillator, no color. Then you have accelerator oscillator. But for indicator window 2, you just have only awesome oscillator. So that's that about this strategy. It's a very good one. You will like it. Allow price to close above 21 EMA for you to buy. For you to have, allow price to close above 21 EMA for you to have buy signal. Allow price to close below 21 EMA for you to have sell signal. Then for your confirmation, allow the first 3 bars after the buy or sell signal to stay above or below 21 EMA. Then additional confirmation, allow the bars, the colors of the bars on the indicator window 1 and indicator window 2 to remain the same. For a buy setup, allow the colors to be green, uniformly green. For sell setup, allow the price to be uniformly red. And that will give you a confirmation. Then you can take your trade, set your stop loss, set your take profit. Your take profit will be equal to the stop loss to trade entry heights or in pips. Your stop loss will be at the low for a buy setup of the candle signal bar. Your stop loss will be at the high price for a sell setup of the candle signal bar. So that's that about this strategy. I want you to like our videos. I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to hit the notification button, ask questions, make comments, give feedback. We'll give you feedback on your questions. We'll ask questions, make comments below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. So till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.